Dito sa ICSA, ang dami ko nang na-receive na inquiries, calls, and messages. Many people tell us the same thing. Gusto kong magkaroon ng mas magandang trabaho. Gusto kong magkaroon ng mas magandang future ang pamilya ko. Gusto kong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at matupad ang mga pangarap ko. These are valid dreams, powerful dreams. But here's the truth nobody wants to hear. Wanting a better life is not enough. Gusto mong magkaroon ng mas magandang trabaho, gusto mong magkaroon ng mas magandang future ang pamilya mo, gusto mong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral at matupad ang mga pangarap mo, pero hindi mo sinisimulan sa sarili mo ang unang step at hindi ka nag-i-effort? Alam nyo, time never comes back. Opportunities never wait. Palagi kong narinig, mag-enroll ako next week, mag-enroll ako next month, mag-enroll ako next year, or saka na lang ako mag-enroll. Every day, every year, nagbabago ang lahat. Yung roles nagbabago. Yung requirements at edad natin nadagdagan. Yung qualifications criteria natin naghihigpit. At yung chances natin nawawala. Hindi sa hindi tayo maswerte, but we wait for too long. Ang dami nating opportunities na pinapalagpas. At ang dami nating chances na pinagpaliban. If you are focused individual, you will prepare for your future. You will understand that opportunities reward actions, not intention. This is the difference between people who only dream, yung mga taong nangangarap lang, and those people who take responsibility for their future. At dito sa ICSA, naniniwala kami that education and global mobility begins with one essential step, and that is decisive action. So if you are really serious about your future, don't wait for the perfect time. Don't postpone your future. Start today with ICSA, your partner in success. Because you know, tomorrow never guaranteed.